Hi traders! In this video, we're going to show you how to change the password directly from inside your Forex VPS. It's quick, simple, and super useful when you want to keep your VPS secure. Let's get started. First, log into your VPS as usual. Once you're in, open the command prompt. You can do this by pressing Windows plus R and typing CMD, or simply by searching for command prompt in the Start menu. When the command prompt opens, type the following command: net spatie user spatie administrator spatie your new password. If everything is correct, press enter and you will see a message. The command completed successfully. That means your VPS password has been changed. Important note: be very careful when setting a new password. If you forget it or make a mistake, you might lose access to your VPS, so always double check before hitting enter. Good luck and happy trading! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with other traders or friends who might need it. See you in the next tutorial.